How's it going? Hunter and Guy here, and we're gonna do a little recipe with our team of our Ergo Chef, and we're gonna make a classic. Actually, this is from the Johnny Garlic's days. It's a family favorite. It's ahi wan tacos with a mango jicama salsa. It's the bomb. So we're gonna use some sushi grade ahi tuna. We're gonna throw in some mango, some jicama, some pineapple, some onions, some bell peppers, and some jalapeno for a little bit of kick, a little bit of heat.
And the reason that we wanted to do this as a demo with the Ergo Chef knives is a really great knife will make this the perfect recipe because it's the precise cuts. So if you've ever diced jicama, you know that it is tough. And this blade is just cutting through this. Look at that, literally confetti. When you're working with really ripe fruit and you don't want to bruise it and squish it, like tomatoes or this mango, this serrated 6-inch really does the job. Bringing back one of the old school, this is my Ergo Chef knife from 2010, the first one we made with the guys, and it's still the steady around here.
To go and press it down and trying to get it all together, so 4 or 5 julienne strips like that.
Now here's a great time to bring the paring knife in to open up this jalapeno. Remember, it's the ribs of the jalapeno that have really the heat, not as much the seeds. So with that paring knife, being able to clear that out. So a sweet soy sauce fortified with a little bit of garlic and a little bit of ginger, a little sesame oil. That's going to go into on the tuna and just a bit of it right for service. We don't want to do this too far ahead of time because it will complement the tuna. It'll start to overpower the flavor. This is a little bit of your normal everyday sweet chili sauce. Everybody has some.
Love it.
I'm crying. This is going to get mixed in here. I like to add a little touch of tequila. So the wasabi crema, a little bit of the eel sauce on top of it, so you get the sweet, you get the tang, you get the heat. All this comes together. We'll just take a few pieces of wasabi microgreens right on top of that. And Hunter, I first made this recipe. This was actually my buddy Sammy Hagar and I. Sammy and I were at the restaurant at Johnny Garlic's back in the day. He brought some tequila down. We had some fresh tuna. I said, what do you want to make? And he said, I don't know. He said something, yeah, I want some sushi or something. I said, well, we're not sushi at this restaurant, but I do have some tuna. We started knocking it out, started drinking tequila, and what good work we made. You know, a tennis pro has the great racket, a golf pro has the great clubs, and as chefs, this is the number one tool that we have. The guys at Ergo Chef, the discipline of how they're making the knives, from the design to the balance to the quality, now offering this knife block set. It's the real deal. You gotta check this out. Cheers.
Mm.